Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set the agent session range on TradingView, so make sure to follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the indicators option, which is at right side on the candlestick icon. So once you click on that indicators, you can see the another section pops out, right, where you can see search bar at the top. You need to search for agent session range. Now in here you will be able to see agent session range at second. You need to click on that option and you will be able to set the agent session range successfully. So basically this is how you can set the agent session range on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.